Hello friends, Travelloged presents Kashmir Diaries, and here today's vlog is about New Green View Hotel. That was my stay for day 2 after reaching Srinagar.
ये मेरे पीछे है ये पूरा ग्रीन व्यू ये न्यू ग्रीन व्यू और हम आओगे
About this hotel, let me tell you, this is more like a homestay. And you can see that the family who owns this hotel, they are still living here. Green View is the original one that you see behind me, and the new Green View is the separate one. So this is Green View. Show you the clip of 1970 and we call Come to Kaha. Short so yes, the clip.
मैं हनुमान प्रसाद बोल रहा हूँ। तुम कौन हो? मैं आशा हूँ। आनंद है? सो रहे हैं शायद। अच्छा, लाइन देता हूँ।
सौंप आएगा
देखो मेन लाइन से आगे
सौंप आएगा आपको।
सही टाइम पे चली जाती। हेलो।
चाहे तबीयत ठीक हो या और बिगड़ जाए।
आप जाएंगे मेरी सरकार और बरसात छिड़
अब तुम्हारा ये होटल का शॉट आएगा। ये देखो डले का गया ना, देखो 2 बार इस होटल का शॉट लाएगा ये डायरेक्टर। देखो ये नहर पार वो बीच में थोड़ा भी क्लियर से लाएगा, ये जूम करके लाएगा फिर वापस ये डायरेक्ट इसी में ठहरा था ना, इसी होटल में। ये देखो नहर पार्क, ये होटल हमारा, देखो वापस लाएगा ये शॉट। ये नेहरू गार्डन में ना, देखो ये लाया होटल, ये हमारा
सर्किल कर
देखो ये उधर उतर गए, ये बहुत अच्छा है।
ये बात को निकल
So friends, this is New Green View which you see right here, and upstairs is my room, and this is where the owner lives, and his name is Mr. Jahan. Hello. So he's the owner and his son, and as you see, Green View is literally green. You can see greenery all around, lots of green plants. And on the first day I stayed in the New Green View, and on the other side is the Green View, that's the old one, and they also have garden. You can see that garden area, and upstairs they have some rooms. So friends, as you keep walking, you see a lot of greenery around, behind and forward, and the mountain views. And this is the dining area that you see here, and look at the view, and look at this tree. So amazing, right? So the location of this Green View Hotel and the New Green View Hotel is exceptional. About the service and hospitality, it is all okay. And the Wi-Fi, they don't have a Wi-Fi. So if you need a Wi-Fi, then this may not be a good choice for you. But if you really need the beauty and greenery, so this is the right place. And it costed me around 500 rupees. And there are a lot of children staying here. It's a homestay, as I said, turned into a hotel. And I will show you my room. So look at those beautiful mountains. And yes, in 1970 there was a movie shot over here. The name of the movie is Kab Kyun Aur Kaha, and the clip which I showed you in the beginning of this video is from that movie. So that's the movie which was shot at this green view. It was shot at the green view. So this is the green view hotel you can see here, and that is the houseboat, and they have beautiful garden space, and you can see that shikara just going there. And if you want to go to the ghat, you have to use the boat. Over there you see the boat, and look at those majestic mountains, just wonderful, beautiful. And that is my room. So I will take you to my room. So my room number was 109. Okay, that's 109. So that's my room, and I will show you how it is. So this was the room for double bed. I mean for 2 person, and it costed me around 500 rupees. It was a budget stay. The washrooms were clean. The TV and the Wi-Fi, yes, they don't work. And that's the bathroom. It was pretty clean. And as you go down, from here you can just see the view, those green trees and the mountains, and of course the Dal Lake. So if you see this place in the daytime and at the night time, they look so different and so beautiful. So check out my previous vlogs and the upcoming vlogs, where you will get all the details about my travel, how I travel, what was the budget, each and everything is mentioned. So please drop in your comments and check out my previous vlogs as well. And this is how the night view was. So I just spent my time relaxing and just sitting here, and I did some photo sessions and vlogs and some reels, of course. So check out my Instagram freakyfree11 for the stories and updates. So this was a beautiful view at the Dal Lake. Those lights and that army base camp on the mountain and the moving shikaras. It's just like a fairy tale. So friends, subscribe, like, comment and share, and follow my stories on Instagram. Thank you.